Good morning from Kagoshima, one of the biggest cities in Kyushu Island. It is located in the south of Kyushu. This is the furthest point where you can get to Shinkansen. Today we are spending a full day in the city and going to see the Sakurajima volcano, which is the most active volcano in Japan. We need to cross the Kagoshima Bay with the ferry. The weather doesn't look that good today. A big chance of rain and volcano is covered in clouds. We are taking one of the Sakurajima buses, which has 12 stops. 11th stop is the closest to the volcano. It's possible to get a day travel card called Cute Pass. Ferry to the volcano, bus on Sakurajima and other buses in Kagoshima are included in the pass. We jumped out at the 5th stop. Volcano is covered in clouds and more rain is approaching. We are walking to the 6th stop, as it's not very far. This is a statue built to remember a music festival that happened on Sakurajima in 2004. 75,000 people attended the festival on Sakurajima, where the population is just 6,000. Of course, shelters can be found in many places in Sakurajima. Local Sakurajima cats with ash on their paws hang out here. The weather is not getting better. We have reached the 11th stop, which is closer to the volcano, but it's very cloudy and the visibility is very low. You can barely see the coastline from here. It could actually get even worse, now the visibility is even less. We also jumped out at 12th stop, but it's not that much fun to walk around in the rain. It's time to head back to Kagoshima. We are going to take a sightseeing bus in Kagoshima, which also has several stops where you can exit. Qt Pass can be used on this bus. Since it's getting dark soon, we're not getting off anywhere but just looking at the city and seeing what places we are missing in Kagoshima. A few of them looked really interesting. It would be nice to return to Kagoshima and explore more of it. We arrived at the central station, KagoshimaChuo. The sun is going down and it's a good time to take a spin in the Ferris wheel. Volcano was trolling us, as there are no more clouds covering it now that we are gone. KagoshimaChuo is not just a train station, many arcades and shops are also located here, in several floors. It's already dark in the city. It's time to head back to the hotel and spend the last night in Kagoshima. It's amazing that you can microwave your food or get hot water for your noodles in most of the supermarkets in Japan. Tomorrow we are flying to Okinawa. Thank you for watching and see you soon.